How do? Right, today I've started with the diesel heater. I'm going to try and get as much video because there's notes on YouTube that actually shows you step by step. So even though I haven't put one in before myself, I'm going to try. If it pans out, then fair enough. Only thing I'm worried about, well, not worried but bothered about, is the angle of the pump, because I don't understand it at all. Anyway, but we'll overcome it. I've built that, well, made that, not built it. This, that. What I did, I put the diesel heater in where I'm putting it, which will be there. That is exactly where I need to be drilling. Right, I've drilled holes ready for, because there's bolts on the bottom. There, look. Right, and that's obviously your diesel intake. I've seen a lot of people, which is a good idea really. I'm actually going to cut all that. You know where that rubber is? There. I'm going to cut all around that. I've gone underneath, it's clear. So, right. Pipes on there. It isn't fixed on yet. But what I'm also going to do, I'm not rabbiting on. I'm going to cut that out, like I say. Then obviously the plate goes on, but I'm going to silicon CT1 it to the floor and bolt it, screw it, whatever. And then what I'm going to do is attach everything to these while it's out, because with it being a big hole, now fair enough, it's got to go through the plate, hasn't it? Anyway, so yeah, regarding the pump and everything, oh, that's your exhaust, which I've got some wrap for it. I'm not right keen on the idea of that being red hot. There's all sorts of crap in here, all this lot, you know what I mean, which I've got to try and fathom out what it's all for. Right, like I say, I'm going to do that now. Right, so what I'm going to do, like I say, I'm going to cut all this out. I've actually drilled there ready for holes, but I think it's going to be better, easier to get pipes on underneath, etc. You know, the exhaust. Right, so ready. Part one, line up your heater, mark it out, cut the hole. That was scary. Right, and that's your plate, that goes there. What I'll have to do is go underneath and make sure it's centralised. Obviously I can't do it from up here. Right, it's centralised. I just want to show you this. Get the thickness of the floor. Where are we? If I just move that. It is. What big is that? 1 3/4 inches. No, is it L? Silly pillock. almost 1.5 inches. 35 mil. What I'm going to do now is just mark where it is. Right. Right, I've decided that I am going to put this plate on with some heat resistant, I don't know, mastic adhesive, whatever, but it's going to be resistant, and obviously I have none, so I'm going to get some from Screwfix.
Hello.
Right, before I put it down, glue it and everything,
Right, I'll do it. Move your fingers.
I'm going to put everything onto the base, and then all it is then flip it over and then put it down and seal it and then bolt it to the floor. So, as far as I know, that goes on there like that. Which is really self-explanatory, isn't it?
Careful.
And this then goes.
Hello, baby boy. Turning me off.
Like that. So this can actually be bolted now to the plate. Right, there's a rubber under here, like a gasket in there. You put the rubber on first and then this on the top. When you tighten these up, don't tighten them too much. That's perfect.
I can't go in though.
Right. The air intake. And you know, I don't know which one it is. It's that. Whatever do there, look. That's your air intake. I don't know if you can see this or not. There. Air intake. The duct's there. It's what you call a combustion or something. 8. Combustion air duct. And 7 is exhaust pipe. So that's the exhaust. That's the air. In fact, it's totally different, aren't they? Yeah. Different bloody size, aren't they? Right, so that goes on there like that. So we need that's that. That's the air. That's the air intake. Right, regarding the exhaust. I'll be honest with you, I'm not right keen on the idea of this near the wood, so I have purchased some heat resistant hurdy-gurdy stuff, which, needless to say, wraps around the exhaust. I think I will clamp it first. The exhaust is going the wrong way. I need it to go in that way. Right, so that is ready now to just slot onto the, well, through oil, I think. But like I say, I need some heat resistant sealant. Maybe I don't need it, you know what I mean, but I'd rather do. Right, fire retardant silicone. It'll do. Right, guess I just offer it into the oil now. Right, so it's in. I'll just show you what it looks like from underneath, and then you know. You won't know this, but I'm going to wait till tomorrow now until this goes off. Boom. Not hard work. It's just because it's in a tight space, in it. That's all it is. No rocket science about it. That's what it looks like from underneath. I've still yet to, obviously, a piece of rubber goes on there, like I've just done with them others there. where I'm going to put the air intake, I haven't a flipping clue. I really don't. Not only that, I've got these earth wires. So we're hoping that we're going to go there like that. But I've got the new to put on, haven't I? The silencer, bloody silencer. I don't want to get an extension, you know. Take it right to the back of the van. Yeah. Right, anyway, yeah, so now you know, where are we? Oh, there. So that has to go facing forward somewhere. Oh, I don't know. I think I've boo-booed here, you know. Stupid idiot. No doubt I'll find somewhere. There's got to be a gap in there somewhere. Which there isn't, is there? Oh dear me. I've buggered up here. Anyway, we'll think about it tomorrow.